Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
And my case to the Lokayukta in 2018 was after the anti-corruption branch of the Goa government, which is hand in gloves with the ruling party, had refused to register an FIR against Pandurang Madkaikar despite giving them evidence of disproportionate assets acquired by Pandurang Madkaikar. Levels of corruption in Goa have gone above board. Pandurang Madkaikar has built a mansion worth 200 crores at Old Goa. So this is impermissible. How can a man who has risen from rags to riches build such a bungalow? So all this material is before the Lokayukta. So let the Lokayukta decide. I have done my duty in filing the complaint, and that is way back in 2018. It has been a fight with the government for almost 2 years, but now the truth will prevail.